Good morning, good afternoon, or good night, depending on when you're viewing this video. I'm going to attempt to show you how to customize your biology course. So I have logged in as you at Rex Mill Middle. Now, because biology is technically a high school course, I had to add a high school to your credentials. So I added Mondays Mill High. So when you log in, you would click on Rex Mill and then you would click on Mondays Mill High so that it can give you the high school course that you need. And you see that Mondays Mill High has shown up here. Then go to courses, manage courses, and you are going to look for the CCPS course for biology because Clayton County has already customized some courses to fit our curriculum. Now, you're going to see that Georgia Standards of Excellence Biology A, B, YL. A is simply means first semester, B is second semester, YL is year long, CR is credit recovery. We're going to go to the IC classes. So I never do a year long class. I don't even do a semester long class. I customize mine month to month, sometimes week to week, just depends on the class. So I'm going to click customize. I'm going to create a new course based on this course, and I'm going to name it something. I'm going to name mine Reese. Let's just start with Reese August. I have named one Reese August September. I might name it Reese September. So I'm going to name it. Now I'm going to go and pick the classes. When you initially start off customizing the class, everything is going to be checked. Everything's going to be on. I don't want everything on, of course, because one thing I never do is I never give them the cumulative exam, and I go ahead and go into it and figure out what part of these I want to actually give. So let's say the first thing we're going to talk about, let's say we're going to talk about natural selection, but we're not going to talk about any of this. And then we're going to talk about cell structure. I'm going to click off of anything I don't want them to do. I might only want them to do natural selection right now. So click natural selection, click it so you can see what's in here, and then click on or off what you do or don't want them to do. I never make them do the unit assessment because I create my own. Sometimes the county may create you one, depending up on what the labs are. Helps you figure out what you want to do. Click on it, see what's in there. You can click on and off of things that are in here as well. So go through them. It gives you an estimated time on how long it's going to take each assignment. Once you're done clicking and you figured out what you do and don't want to do, or what you do and don't want your students to do, go down here and publish the course. After you publish it, it's going to ask you, do you want to check the course options? The course options are basically, do you want them to automatically progress even if they fail something? What's your grading weights? Whatever your grading weights are, they have to equal 100. So let's say I want my quizzes to be 35. And let's say I don't even want any labs. I want my assignments to equal 65. Whatever you do, this has to equal 100. Go down here and figure out anything else that you want to change. And if you have a question about it, let me know and I can tell you what it means. Once you have changed anything you want to, submit all changes. Okay, so now go back to courses, go to manage courses, search for your course. Whatever you named it, search for it. And once you search for it, this is the one that I created. So you're going to click on that one, and then you're going to click access code. Once you click access code, you're going to click submit, and it's going to create a code. This is how your students join. You give them this access code, put it into Canvas, whatever, but this is how they join your class. So you copy that code, and then you click OK, and then that's how they can access your course, and that's how they join your course. Hope this little information helps.